Dealing with a holdout sibling in a Broward probate case, here's the legal reality, and it might surprise you. In Florida, if the court has appointed a personal representative and given them the authority to manage the estate, that personal representative has the legal power to sell the property. They do not need unanimous approval from every heir to move forward. Now, that doesn't mean the other siblings have no rights. They absolutely do. They can object to the sale price. They can challenge decisions in court. And if there's no personal representative appointed yet, a holdout sibling can absolutely slow things down. But here's what I've seen after 23 years of working with families in South Florida. The legal answer is rarely the whole answer. Having the authority is one thing, but using it without communication often causes more pain for everyone involved. The families I've seen navigate this best are the ones who got clear legal guidance early, understood their rights, and had someone help them communicate through the process with transparency and patience. If your family is in this situation right now, I'm Scott Nicot with RE/MAX Direct. Message me today. I've helped a lot of families find a path forward that everyone could live with.